In this question number 9, it is saying a thin semicircular ring is falling in a uniform magnetic field with a velocity v. It means when it will come in the magnetic field, then its magnetic flux will change. When magnetic field will change, then there will be EMF will induced. जब EMF induced होगा तो induced EMF in this case is induced EMF equal to VVL for any conducting wire falling in the magnetic field. Now in this case we considers only length between end to end, so we will consider distance between end to end L equal to 2R. So EMF equal to VB into 2R. EMF induced will be 2VBR, and potential will be higher at R, and potential will be higher at R.